Hi, kindergarten. I'm bringing another book by Willems today to read to you. It's called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Oh my goodness. So, elephant says pigs make me sneeze. Let's see what happens. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Chew! Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry, it keeps knocking Piggy over. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But, Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Look at Piggy. Chew. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I wonder what makes them sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Why do you think he's happy that he's sick? Piggy, Piggy, great news! I have a cold. Good for you. Uh-oh. What's wrong with Piggy? Looks like Elephant Gerald gave Piggy a cold too. Make sure you cover your sneezes and your coughs. Have a great day.